Hi, John Hotchkis here. On today's Hotchkis Sports Suspension Inside Look, we're going to see some details of some products. Products that will make your muscle car or performance truck handle even better and drive incredibly well. One of our accessory products I've always really liked are our hood pins, our machined hood pins. And let me tell you about them. For years we used the chrome steel hood pins, and while they were okay for the time, said let's upgrade our hood pins. Let's make something that really is fun to have and it's also very functional. Let's check it out. First we have our CNC machined hard anodized cap, our machined aluminum pin, stainless steel hardware, and also really cool our stainless steel quick release pin. Unlike the old classic hood pins, we offer an aircraft style all stainless quick release pin. And not only do they look great, but they function incredibly well. So this is what you need to complement your Hotchkis sports suspension. We hope you've enjoyed another segment of Hotchkis Inside Look. If you have questions on any of these products, want more technical information, distributor information, whatever it is, please go to hotchkis.net or give us a call at 562-907-7757. Also, if you're on Instagram, check out our new Drive with Hotchkis hashtag. That's where so many of our customers gather to show their cool cars. Until then, I'm John Hotchkis, and thank you for watching.